Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Filmora 15 on your Windows PC step by step. Filmora 15 is a powerful video editing software that's easy to use for beginners and professionals alike. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the official Wondershare Filmora website. Then, click the free download button. Select Windows if prompted. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Double-click the Filmora Setup file. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. The Filmora installer will open. Click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Start Now or Launch. Filmora 15 will open on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Filmora 15 on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Filmora tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.